Classic chocolate cake can have over 400 calories per slice, but this one, just 126. No white sugar, no refined flour, just cocoa, protein, and a little banana for sweetness. Start by blending dry cottage cheese with a ripe banana, a pinch of salt, and vanilla extract until smooth and creamy. I'm using 2% dry cottage cheese. It gives the cake a firmer texture, but really, any cottage cheese will work as long as it's well blended. Then stir in 2 eggs, peanut flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking powder, and psyllium husk. If you want more sweetness, add your favorite sweetener. I like stevia, but in this recipe, the banana is sweet enough for me. And if you don't have peanut flour, 1 teaspoon of peanut butter works too. Same taste, just slightly higher in fat. The batter will be thick but pourable. Let it rest for a few minutes so the psyllium can thicken and give it that perfect texture. Pour it into a lined baking dish. You can lightly oil the sides and sprinkle some almond flakes on the bottom or on top if you'd like a little crunch. By the way, if you want to cook healthy, delicious meals with 0 stress and 0 extra calories, check the description. I've linked my recipe ebook collections with calories counted, clear instructions, and full shopping lists. Let food love us back just as much as we love it. Now, back to our cake. Bake for 40 minutes until the center is set and the top is just slightly firm. Cool it in the pan for at least 30 minutes, then chill completely before slicing. You can enjoy it just like this, or make a quick chocolate cream with 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and your favorite sweetener. If you love feel-good baking like this, hit subscribe and stay tuned. There's more coming. Thanks for baking with me, Karina.